For this, I'll pick a YouTube video template. I'm going to go over to my upload. You must have uploaded the video you want to use or designed it. I'm going to go over to videos. If you've not uploaded it yet, you can use this section, upload files, to upload your video. I'm going to drag this video into my timeline, and then I will go over to text, go to dynamic text here. As you can see, I have only one video on my timeline, so they are all selected. I'm going to click on generate captions. It has added my captions. I'm going to expand and position the text box how I want it. And you can click on captions here to edit the captions. You pick whichever thing you want to edit, but our focus is not on editing captions, it's on animate. Let's click on animate. For captions, there are 3 animations: the review, the highlights, and the snake. If I hover on the review, you'll see it revealing the highlights, same thing, and the snake. Let's click on the highlights, and I will go down and increase the intensity to the highest, and I will change the color to yellow, or we can actually choose any color from here, or we can click this plus sign to use the color picker. I'm going to pick the color picker and hover any part of the color on our design page we want to use. You see that reflected. I'm going to take out this background effects by going to effects. You see the background effect is what's selected, but I will change it to the outline effect. Click on that and change the border color to black. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.